Hi guys, this is the art teacher from Cesar Chavez Elementary School, Miss Kadayari, and I'm going to teach you how to do something with the Ziggy camera. It's really easy and cool. So what you're going to do first, you're going to open your Ziggy camera. You do everything before you have a meeting with your students. Then you just adjust the size of your picture, maybe half of the screen, kind of like that. Then you're going to click for a new window in this little corner. Click for a new window. Make sure you update your camera so you have all these nice things. So then now you have the camera is showing the same thing. Then you're going to have to select camera in this case, and then you're going to switch the next one for your desk camera. Sorry the mess I have in my background. That here it's going to tell you I'm a mom cat mom, how you say, whatever. Anyways, oopsie. I'm gonna put it this way. Then you're gonna open a sticky note. Now, I use a sticky notes because I like to frame the lesson. Let's say frame the lesson. You can also type what you're talking with your kids. Like today, we're gonna talk about lines, texture, and so on. And then you can add pictures, but make sure the pictures are not too big, otherwise it's going to take a lot of space on your sticky note. Because don't forget, the sticky notes, they are not as good as uh, Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. So then you have already two screens. Let me just fix this one a little bit, kind of like it shows the whole thing. Now, if you want to do this thing, you can record it and then put it on YouTube, or you just can put it on the Google Drive, because I already tried that thing. It has a lot of space. And then after that, you can put it on your Google Classroom or your website for your students. Then once when you're done with all of this, you go back to your um, Google, open a Meet, join. I'm going to call mine is Crazy Cat. Now now it says camera failed. Don't worry. In mine it says like that because I'm using this everything at the same time. Then you're gonna put present. Then you put your entire screen and you select your screen. Then share. Once when you share, you minimize all the thing, and then you are back over here in your original the things you're supposed to be teaching. Now, I have here my desk. I have my face over there, scary thing for the kids. And I have here the frame the lesson. Now, if you want to see your kids' faces, what you can do, you can use an iPad or another computer to kind of like join that same thing, the presentation you're doing in the Google Meet. So so then you're gonna see if they're participating, if you're paying attention, or you can see the little faces if just to see if they have questions and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoy this thing and then you can use it with your kiddos. Okay.